Today, I'm going to compare water that comes out of the ground with water from the river and see which one's better. I have 2 red cups. I don't know which is which. I'm going to give it a blind taste test and see. Can I tell a difference? And do I have a preference? Starting with the one on my left, there's no aroma. That has a nice rounded soft quality to it. I'm going to guess that's the groundwater, but let's go on to the next one and see. No aroma to it. Crystal clear. Oh, God, that's so good and clean. That's the winner right there. I'm going to guess it's river water. What's that say? R? R? Yeah, river water. River water defeats groundwater for drinking.